upbeat music starts playing. Welcome back to our channel where we help you make smarter choices. Today, we're diving deep into the world of steam cleaning with a showdown between the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the Dirt Devil Steam Mop. One of these mops is like a Swiss Army knife for cleaning, and the other one is still pretty good. Let's see which one will take the crown. First up, let's talk money. The Steam & Go is priced at $99, a bit on the higher side, but it's like a fancy dinner out for your home cleaning. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness and value, especially for cleaning various surfaces. On the other hand, we have the Dirt Devil at just $74. It's cheaper, and many users love its convenience for sealed hard floors. But can it really clean like my mother-in-law's nagging? Let's find out. Now, functionality. The Steam & Go is not just for floors. It transforms into a multitasking beast for tile, grout, curtains, and even your couch. Reviewers love its versatility and attachments for various cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil keeps it simple, making it easy to assemble and effective for sealed hard floors. But it doesn't handle much beyond that. It's like that friend who only knows how to order pizza. Let's talk cleaning power. The Steam & Go boasts a dual-tank system that reviewers say is great for deep cleaning. They love its adjustable steam power and effectiveness on multiple surfaces. But the Dirt Devil promises deep cleaning with just heat and water, which some find effective but lacking compared to the Steam & Go. It's like bringing a butter knife to a gunfight. Extended reach is key. The Steam & Go has a 20-foot power cord, allowing you to reach those far corners of your home easily. Reviewers appreciate this feature for convenience. The Dirt Devil has a 180-degree swivel head, which is great for maneuverability, but some users find it a bit short and uncomfortable, making you do some yoga poses while cleaning. Finally, safety. The Steam & Go operates at a max temperature of 356 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hotter than my last Tinder date. Reviewers recommend using only water or demineralized water to avoid issues. The Dirt Devil is also safe on sealed hard floors, with many users enjoying its ease of use. However, if you're looking for a more versatile approach, the Steam & Go might be the better choice. Overall, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is praised for its versatility and powerful cleaning capabilities, making it a favorite among reviewers. The Dirt Devil Steam Mop, while effective for sealed hard floors, tends to be more basic and is favored for its affordability and simplicity. Both products have their strengths, but the Steam & Go seems to take the lead in user satisfaction. So, who takes the crown? If you're looking for versatility and cleaning power, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is your best bet. But if you're on a budget and want something simple, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop will get the job done without breaking the bank. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.